Today I'm going to show you how to create this amazing building drop animation. It looks super cool, but it's actually very easy to create. You can use any building image and create this effect in just a few minutes. If you want to learn it, make sure you watch till the end. So let's not waste any time and jump straight into it. First, you will need an image that has a building in it. You can pick any image you like. Now, to create this effect, we need to remove the building from the image. For that, go to Gemini and select the Create Image option. This will activate the Nano Banana model. Next, upload your image and simply type "Remove the building from the image." That's all you need to do. Just one simple prompt, and the model will remove the building for you in seconds. Then simply download the image. The next step is to separate the building from the background. For this, we will use Pixel Cut. It's free and works really well for background removal. Just tap on Start, select your image, and then click on Remove Background. Within a few seconds, the background will be removed automatically. Once it's done, simply download the image. Now, you will need an editing software. You can use any app you are comfortable with, as the process is almost the same everywhere. I will suggest Kine Master since it's simple and beginner-friendly. Once you open Kine Master, import the image which we removed the building using Gemini. You will notice a small Gemini logo on the screen. To hide it, select the layer, go to Pan and Zoom, and slightly zoom in from the start position until the logo goes out of frame. Then tap on Equal so both start and end positions stay the same. Now add the building image that we edited in Pixel Cut. Here as well, you can see the Pixel Cut branding. To clean it up, just go to Cropping and carefully remove that part. And now everything is perfectly set, clean, and ready for the animation. Now adjust the building properly in its position, just like this. Then move the timeline bar slightly forward and add a keyframe. At the starting point, you will already have an initial keyframe, so go back to that one and move the building upwards. To place it perfectly in a straight line, keep the layer selected. Scroll down and tap on Transform. Then adjust the position Y by swiping to the right. This way, the building will move straight upward in a clean line. Now your video will look something like this. To make the animation feel more realistic, tap on the graph icon. Then tap here and add a key point in the center using the Add button. After that, drag the key point downwards like this. This will make the building move slowly at first and then drop quickly, giving it a more natural feel. Now play it once and check the result. Now let's add the dust effect to make it look more realistic. You will find the clip link in the description, just download it from there. After adding the dust layer, select it, scroll down, and go to Blending. Choose the Screen option. This will instantly remove the black background. If the edges look a bit harsh, no worries. Go to Cropping, turn on Mask, and increase the feather to around 30 to make the edges soft and natural. Next, adjust the timing carefully. The dust should appear exactly when the building hits the ground. That's what makes it feel real. Finally, rotate the dust layer slightly so it spreads along the ground instead of going upward. Now, tap on the three dots at the top and choose Send Backward. This will push the dust layer behind the building, making it look like the dust is coming from underneath the building, which adds a much more realistic touch. Then, trim the dust layer a little before the end. After that, go back and tap on Out Animation, then select the Fade effect. I will make the animation a bit faster using this slider. This way the dust will fade out smoothly instead of disappearing suddenly. You might notice the animation still feels a bit flat, right? Let's fix that by adding a shake effect to make it more impactful. Move the timeline cursor to the exact moment when the building hits the ground. Then go to Effects and select the Shake effect. Add the first preset and then double tap to make it full screen. Play it once if the shake feels too intense. Select the layer, go to Properties, and reduce the repeat duration to around 300. Now check it again. Your video is almost ready. The only thing left is adding a sound effect, which will really bring the animation to life. Tap on Audio and choose any sound you like. If you want the exact one I used, you will find the link in the description. After adding it, make sure to sync the sound perfectly with the building drop moment. That impact timing is very important. And with that, your video is completely ready. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like. It really means a lot. And if you're into this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe because there is a lot more coming your way. Meanwhile, you can check out my video where I show how to create an animation using just a single screenshot. It's super interesting. I will catch you there. Take care.